until oh god, he's gonna do a YouTube video. I'm gonna stay here with Bill until his dad gets here because I'm gonna be by myself.
Well, I figured this is a good time as any to record again. So, yeah, I got in a little wreck. I'll explain it all in a minute. It happened over there, but door can't fully open. I don't know how far the damage is. I don't know if it's just the fender, because this panel gap looks fine, but I'm not sure. Basically, there was a car that was stopped in front of me. I noticed it slightly too late, and I tried swerving over in the right lane, which is why it hit this side. But there was a car in the far right lane, so I couldn't swerve too far, and I ended up just hitting the car in front of me. So this is where I'm at now.
Just we need to talk about this later on.
Yeah.
You were just like,
All right. You heading back now?
yeah.
You're good. Let's see. How much further? Not much further from there. It was like back here. So, and once we get it out, we can pick it up.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, it's been under there.
Is that supposed to? Was that already like that? I doubt it.
It done that.
Damn, looks like I hit
We can
something.
hook under the bottom after we get it pulled on out.
Your truck just kicked backwards. Is your parking brake on? I doubt it.
Gotta go a little more.
Oh, it's underneath it now, directly.
The bolt now?
No, but it's underneath it. So if we pull that down,
That they go down.
yeah, it needs to go down. Nah, put it on this part.
I thought it went down.
No, you had it on. There you go, right there. All right, hold up, wait. Perfect. Bolt right there.
You bolt it.
I can bolt the first one at least.
Both of them are too.
Yeah, we're working on it.
Body people, huh?
It's documented.
Doors opening and closing.
There used to be a
Ease
headlight.
off of it. Let's see if you can feel up under there. See if we hook under the bottom of it.
Yeah, you can hook right there.
Okay.
Do you like our upward angle we came up with?
It works.
It does.
I don't know how we hold it on there, Bill.
Let me see. I felt away a second ago.
Look it on there then.
Is it too thick? Right there.
Okay, go tighten up on it.
There it goes. Huh?